Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you button shirts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is heart decoration. Draw a large heart shape, fill the entire heart with red, pink and white pattern. Mix different sizes to create the bed frame. The artwork and display it on a wall. It also make a beautiful handmade gift. Button flower, create flower pattern using colorful button. Use green ribbon or pip cleaner for stain. Place several flowers together in a vase. Unlike rare flower, this never fade. And beavers. Friends. And picture frame decoration. Take a plain photo frame, blue button around all four sides. Mix bright color or use one color. Them insert your favorite family photos. The simple frame become a special keepsake. And viewers. And friends, my next idea is levers. Decorative letter. Basically, I make a large cardboard letter, cover the entire surface with button. Choose the first letter of your name or the home word displayed on a shelf or wall. Button mukba, cut a strip of ribbon, attach a large button to one and decorate with smaller button if desired. Now you have a beautiful handmade bookmark for your favorite book. And dear friends, viewers, button coaster, glue button into crock or thin flat circle and arrange them closely together. This colorful coaster protects your table while adding personality. So I hope you are enjoying our videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz.